Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nkanyusi Dlamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your very first ad. So we've got our ad copy, we've got our ad creatives, and we've got our video editor V. Just to start, just for preparation, what we want to do is create a folder with all our assets. So in this folder, there should be your royalty-free music, your images and videos from pexels.com, excuse me, your product video from AliExpress. You have all your assets ready. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open the video editor. So once your video editor is open, what I want you to do is literally copy all your files, 6 items, and let's drag and drop dashboard. Okay, so now we've got all our copy here. What we want to do is not our copy, we've got all our creative here, all our videos. So what we want to do is we are going to try and upload our music. So now I've uploaded the background music. It should look like this. And now I'm going to just drag and drop the voiceover. Okay, so now I've got the voice and the music. So I know we've got everything on the editor right now. Now we just have to put it in the right order. We have to see what text and images we need to use. So what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna go to Chat GPT and get our scripts. I don't think there's no need for that. Got our script from here. So our opening shot is of a smiling person with a bright white teeth. Okay, so our opening shots. So what we're gonna do, if you just hold on to, if you just click on one of the frames, you can shift them around. So this should be our opening shots. Bright white teeth. Okay, cool. So now we are, what I suggest we do is keep the scripture, "Are you tired of yellow and stained teeth?" So now we need to get the voiceover again. So I'll tell you something. Let me just, for now, I'm gonna just try and drag this voiceover. Okay, I'm gonna delete this royalty-free music just for now. And what we want to do actually is that we want the royalty-free, the voiceover artist to dictate the length of the video, if that makes sense. So this should be only 22 seconds because that's how long she speaks in terms of the script. Try and ensure that this whole ad happens in 23 minutes. And we just want to make sure that it be on cue. So let us.
Are you tired of yellow, stained teeth? Do you love your daily cup of coffee or glass of red wine, but hate the way it discolors your teeth? Our teeth whitening pen makes it easy to brighten your smile.
So what we're going to do is we'll delete that part.
Are you tired of yellow? Are you tired of yellow, stained?
Okay. So maybe we have to extend it a little bit longer. And just click on the seam that you want, and then you can just pull it to the left or to the right to extend it.
Are you tired of yellow, stained teeth?
So that is what we call the hook. So that's the first 2 seconds. So we're showing the aspiration of having white teeth. So as she's saying, are you tired of having stained teeth? Whoever sees this will see this lady's beautiful white teeth and say, I want to have teeth like that. So that is why.
Are you tired of yellow, stained teeth?
Okay. Let's next part script. Got 2 shots of people drinking coffee, tea, and wine. Okay. So.
Do you love your daily cup of coffee or glass?
So we probably want someone taking a sip like that. And we delete the rest.
Are you tired of yellow, stained teeth? Do you love your daily cup of coffee or glass of red wine, but
Get a cup of coffee. I think this is the wine. That.
the way it discolors your teeth? Our teeth. Are you tired of yellow, stained teeth? Do you love your daily cup of coffee or glass of red wine? Are you tired of yellow, stained teeth? Do you love your daily cup of coffee or glass of red wine, but hate? Are you tired of yellow, stained teeth? Do you love your daily cup of coffee or glass of red wine, but hate the way it discolors your teeth?
So we always just have to be constantly referring back to our script. So now we've got the coffee and tea and wine. We have to cut to a close-up of a tube of toothpaste and toothbrush. Oh yeah, we're just gonna do a close-up to the product. Right now, what's very important is we've shown the aspiration of the white teeth. So you want to show either the problem in the beginning of the video, or you want to be watch the first 2 seconds of this video if you aspire to have this. So the first 2 seconds of this video, whoever watches this and is going to buy a product is aspiring to have white teeth. So that's the hook.
Are you tired of yellow, stained teeth?
And then what we're doing after this is we're validating the person for wanting to have white teeth, or we say we understand what problems they face. So this is where the cup of coffee and the wine.
Do you love your daily cup of coffee or glass of red wine, but hate the way it discolors your teeth?
So hate the way that discolors your teeth. So what we're gonna do right now is that we're gonna go and find the image on Pixel with yellow teeth, or I'm gonna remind the customer of the pain of of having yellow teeth. And that's what you should be thinking in your video as you're cutting and editing to go along with the script. So the visuals must go with the audio. Picture of stained teeth. What we want to do is just see how the first 10 seconds of the ad looks like, because we have to get someone's attention span in 3 seconds, but we also want to keep the attention span. So we want to make sure that the audio is synced with the visual, and if everything looks like a decent ad.
Are you tired of yellow, stained teeth? Do you love your daily cup of coffee or glass of red wine, but hate the way it discolors your teeth? Our teeth whitening pen makes it easy.
So as just a quick reference here, as you can see, what we can do if we wanted to, just to show you next time you look at an advert, is
Are you tired?
we could switch these two parts of the ad, and it still makes sense because now we're looking at the problem. And so we're taking somebody from, they see, they identify with the problem, and taking them towards the aspiration of where their teeth should be, or we can start with the aspiration and remind them where the problem is. If you want to add some text to it, you just add some text. If you have a slogan, you can just add it here. And you can just type whatever, but I'm not gonna add anything here. What I will do though is I'll end the scene with a call to action, which will be just maybe logo with the website on a white background, or you can just leave it how it is. But yeah, that is pretty much what I'm going to do. Is I will show you how to add music, but I'm not gonna, you definitely want to have background music. You want to add text. So then again, all we've got to do is drag and drop and see if the music fits. The music. So what we want to do is here, we're going to go to volume because it's going to be background music. Okay. Now, we're going to go to Canva, create a quick call to action to ensure that we represent our brand. So you want our logo, we want our website name there. And yeah, let's do that quickly and see how that looks. And we want to delete the last slide, the VN part. You want to delete that. And what you want to make sure And what I'll do is I'll save this. So what you want to do after you save this, you want to click this arrow to produce it. So it's saved there. It says your saved works. And click, and you can now choose what format that you want to use for Reels. I'll say save it for Instagram like that. And then you can save the video. And it should provide the Instagram version, the right version. And yeah, if you want to create for TikTok,
Are you tired?
It will start processing your video for you. And you tell it to export. And once you're ready, you click export and it should start the process. So it should look something like this. So I will probably add this video to show you how it looks like as one of the lessons. But yeah, that is basically how you create your first ad, and hope this video helped. Thank you.